doing a real quick video. What I'm showing before you is the Medic 23312 MetaFirst 0.5 gram antibiotic ointment packets. It comes in a packet of 10. And what's really nice about it is you have it and you can be able to easily open it up and just have it with you. But you can be able to easily open it and be able to apply it on the wound. So I'll do that. What I have here is a Q-tip that I'm going to go ahead and use with it. So you can see it. So I'm going to quickly open this on up. And I'm trying to see if they have it where you could easily open it up. It looks like you can use any side, it doesn't matter. So I'm just going to go ahead and push the liquid down. Open up just a little bit of it. And I'm going to apply some of it to the Q-tip. I'm going to push it on out. And then I have a marker here, just as for an example. I'm going to put a little black dot on my hand, pretend that's a wound, and I have some of the ointment here, and I can go ahead and put it on my hand. So this is the triple antibiotic ointment. It's on there. You can go ahead and apply it on the wound and go ahead and get it cleaned up, and it's just nice to have around. These are the triple antibiotic. It comes in a nice packet, not too much in there, but enough so that you can be able to actually clean the wound. Thank you so much for watching.